First of all, choose search artist grid on Play Store, then install it and open it. Then from this icon, file icon, you can choose photos from your gallery. Then choose any one photo from your gallery. Then here settings, then mark square grid cells. Okay, we only use square grid cells. Then enter the number of rows or lines you want. Supposed to be 5. Here is the line thickness, here is the color and opaqueness. Then save it. Then after it your grids are ready. Then save image and use it for your drawing.